Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I would like to give you the solutions of assignment 2 of quiz in problem solving through programming in C. So friends, I request you to please watch the video until the end without skipping the video, because if I make any changes in between the video, you will be able to note that without fail. So don't skip the video and watch the video until the end. And coming to this assignment, friends, these are 100% correct answers because I have done the programs in compiler and also these theory bits. I have referred material and lecture videos, so these are 100% correct answers. If you feel there is any mistake in these assignment answers, then feel free to comment in the comment section, so you can blindly believe that these are 100% correct answers, so don't worry about that. And coming to first question, which of the following statement is correct? So the correct answer for this is option B. Application software is dependent on system software. This is general theory question, we will all know that. And coming to second question, syntax error occurs when? The correct answer for this is option A. The rules of grammar of the language is violated. And third question, the execution of any C program is? The correct answer for this is option A, sequential. And coming to fourth question, we use the concept of function for the following reason. The correct answer for this is option D, all of the above. We use all three for concept of function to divide and conquer strategy, because they are very big programs, so we'll divide that into parts. For code reusability, same function name can be used other statements and enhances logical clarity of the program. So option D is correct answer for fourth question. Coming to fifth question, which of the following data type will throw an error on modules operation? The correct answer for fifth question is option B, float. And coming to sixth question, I have done this in compiler. What is the output of the program? Here x equal to 5, you have to print %d, x. You think that the answer is 5 because they 5, but the correct answer is compilation error, because we have to specify the type int x equal to 5. They have only given x equal to 5, so compilation error. Coming to seventh question, what will be the output of the program given below? The correct answer for this is option D, again compilation error. And it is because they have given the semicolons. It should be commas but not semicolons. Here semicolon means we have to specify int for every variable for this, and it should be like int for B also and int for also C, but they specified semicolons. It means int only valid for first one but not for second and third, so it will be right and it is not specified, so compilation error will come. And coming to eighth question, which of the following variable is not allowed in C? Friends, we have that the special characters is not allowed. Special characters, the correct answer for this is option C. It is started with dollar symbol and there are a b c variables, but ampersand came in between the naming variable. Ampersand is only specified for reading the variables, so 8 answer is C, option C. And coming to ninth question, when I did this in compiler, I have got compilation error again, because here they specified int a equal to 45, float a equal to 54. Here they specify two different data types for single variable. It is the compilation error that I have got. So option D is correct answer for 9th question. And coming to 10th question, again in the compilation that I have done, I have got the correct answer as finally I have got a answer, that is option B without any compilation error. Exactly I have got this answer as 1.25 and 4 zeros after that, that is 1.250000. So friends, I hope you have fulfilled your purpose of the this week's second week programming answers. So friends, if you have any doubt regarding these answers, you can ask me in the comment section and I will try to reply to all of you. So you can make any suggestions also. If you feel that the video is helpful for you, subscribe our channel first and click the bell icon so that notifications will come for you when I update any videos. And like the video and share to your friends. Be safe and stay tuned to our channel. Support the videos and be happy. Thank you. Bye.